Hi, hello, and welcome to another video. So, this one is going to be a little different, mainly in the way I'm filming this, because I've never watched on VLive and done this. So I apologize if there's any technical difficulties, because I frankly do not know what it is like to film off of VLive. So, yeah. But the reason is because not only did the making video, the second one for Surigum, Thunderous, come up today, but the first one has not even been subbed on YouTube. So I thought, since I haven't seen it yet, I'm gonna watch it from VLive, and because they have it subbed, again, I'm pretty sure with that, but I think that's right. But because I wanted to watch it for so long, I'm gonna try and risk it. I'm gonna do it. But yeah, so I'm gonna watch this one, and then after this, I'm gonna watch Felix's vlog from yesterday. It was released, I believe. But yeah, we're gonna see how it works out. I think it's gonna be fine. However, I don't know how VLive works. But yeah, let's go. Let's watch it. Finally. I'm super excited. Oh, my bad. Let's go. Alright, this should be up to par. Hopefully, it is. But yeah, let's go. Let's watch this. Okay. Ding! Let's go. Oh, my God.
기대됩니다. 새해도 많이 재밌게 봐줬으면 좋겠어. 비하인드도 재밌게 나올 것 같아.
Yes. Man, I'm not sorry. I'm dirty. Hold on, everyone. You can skip over if you want. I'm gonna make the font a little smaller. Okay, there we go. Let's go. Chapter 1, Thunderous. How gorgeous is he? My gosh. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Hey! Hi, hon! I'm so excited to watch some more personal stuff now. Oh! 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 Oh my gosh. Are you okay? Are you okay? Aww. Han is the cutest person ever. And I will not take complaints for that. I am. I was super excited. Hi, Sigmund! Hi, Lena! You guys are so pretty. Hi, how are you? Oh. You're throwing baseball? You're doing baseball? I want to try wearing one of those gloves. They look so weird, but interesting. Will I get paid? Okay. Hi! Also, is that like a metal ball? What does he have right there? I don't know. He keeps like, he's putting his tongue out. That's so cute. Mance? Mance? Ants? I'm okay with ants. I'm okay with most bugs. Except anything that's, like, long. Like, long legs. 2 long legs is not nice. Like, what are they called? Those like long-legged ones. The spiders. It's okay. Is it a metal ball? Is it like a gem? I can't tell. You are so cool. You're so cool. Oh. Itchy. Hi there. Oh my goodness. Hi, Changbin. Hi. Hi, everyone. Hi, guys. Oh my gosh. Hi. Oh yeah, they had like extras for this. Like people just walking around. Ooh. Is it hot? Oh, these shots are so pretty. Hey. You guys are cute. You gonna punch me? Hi. I've seen this part. I've seen it where, like, oh, it's so cute. His head gets like he hits his head on the camera. Aww. Chan? I keep calling him orange. What? What happened? What did he do? Hyunjin, where? What's happening? Oh my gosh. So cool. Woo! Oh. You are so pretty. He grew up amazingly. Hi. Bike? Oh. I've seen this. I'm not gonna comment. I'm not gonna comment anything. I'm not gonna say anything. Changbin is something else, man. Hmm? An army? You could be a king. Lino has the energy of a king, you know? They didn't even do it. Cute? Okay. Is that the same? Oh my god. Aw. Changbin! He's back. Those like plastic pants look really good, but really uncomfortable. Is it a four-wheeler? What he had, is that a four-wheeler? I'm not sure. Oh. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Cute. Hi, Singman. Is it bright outside? Changmin is the cutest. The cutest one in Stray Kids. Changbin. Oh, that was so cute. Oh, so cool. Coolest. What a good. Oh my gosh. Hi, how are you? Oh my gosh. Changbin has the best laugh. I can't. Are you good at parking? Oh. Very good. They should have included that. They should have included a bit of him driving, because I couldn't tell. Oh, missions? Okay. Drawing. Soul. Who has a voice with soul? Han? Yeah, it's true. Okay. Handsome voice? Seungmin. Seungmin has a very handsome voice. I am? And what is it? What is it? What is the question? Laughing voices. Okay, they're supposed to show that voice, okay. Calling his name? Changbin's voice of nagging. That's easy. Changbin nagging is super fun and super cool. Third person, Bangchan. That is easy. That is easy. Felix? Acting cute. Okay. He is very cute, so. Thank you. Lino's? Of what? I missed what he was supposed to do. Lino, when he's happy. I mean, yeah. I mean, Lino has like this. Saw it a lot in like Mysterious Kitchen. Like he has like a really loving voice that he does. He's just like, 그래? You know. Of course, he's only showing off his affection when he has to. Hi, Changbin. He looks so good here. I'm so sorry. Did he get... Did he loosen a pin in his pants? Yeah, Changmin... Ooh. Woo! Wasn't Singman supposed to be a baseball player? He wanted to be one. He looks really good. He has a good form. Aw, he's so cute. Are you good? Are you okay? Okay, bye. What are you doing? Also, if they have, I hope they're doing Skills Talkers, because I would be so excited to see that. Hi. Who? Changbin and you? I mean, I think we're the ones who we haven't seen much from you guys. I think the only one we haven't seen abs from is Lino and Changbin. I think. Woo! Changbin is great. Yes, Changbin is super cool. Why is that happening? Yes. I'm gonna... Han is very handsome. What are you talking about? What is happening? What's happening? You? Oh. Oh. I want to see two Stray Kids members do a pair dance. Like, not like just dancing in pairs, but like, you know, like dancing like that. I would love it. Hi guys, of course. Two youngest. What are you guys doing with that? Don't do the swags. Hi. They just yeeted him. Hi, Dids. No, you were very... He's here. I can't tell you that I haven't seen Chan a lot in this, so I have. The earrings they have on? My god. Cut? Oh, I guess this is later, because they had like a very... They changed the time a lot. You're very good, Zigman. Oh yeah, the teaser. Why does he just look like that now? You are the prettiest. Yes. I don't know. Oh, so you gotta make it even. Yes. Yes. A lot of Stray Kids members have dimples. How many? I know Changbin and Chan. I think maybe Lino? I'm not sure. Okay. You're so cute. Hi, Changbin. Felix. I can't get over Ian's outfit. It's one of my favorites. Hi. Hello. What are we doing? Oh my god. What are we getting so aggressive for? Even when they're jokingly singing, they sound amazing. Hi. Oh, hi. You look so pretty. You look pretty all the time. Whoa. Hey. Ding. Oh. Yeah, it's been a long time. But even if you're not, like, releasing an album, I still have fun with you guys. This I've seen too. Bang-chan, you are... Oh my... Hi. I can't... You just look like that. How do you just look like that? What are you taking pictures of? I'm sorry, that's so funny. Gotta make sure your phone doesn't... Lino? Look at me now. Was that Felix? I think he personally finds it really funny whenever they speak English. Woo! Give me those selfies. I love the selfies. Felix looks so cool. Oh. Hi. Oh. Of course, as soon as he gets in a car, he's like Mario Kart. Obviously. Cute. I've seen this. I don't know what to say. I mean, obviously, he is their father, but like... Yes. Brushing the pants is hit with reality. I'm very jealous. Ah. I know. Hi. Whoa. How does he look like that and sound like that? Hi, Felix. You are so pretty. Prettiest boy ever. Good time. I love how he just pulls out a fan and he's like, ooh. I try not to look at Chan, I'm sorry. Woo! Good job, guys! Has a win. Alright, we are done. Maybe they'll give us some like, oh. Hi. Your eyes. All of it is a highlight. Indeed. Absolutely. I absolutely agree with you. I'm not solid, I'm dirty. Woo! Okay, so that was the music video making for Thunderous. That was super fun, super cute, and I'm glad I finally get to watch it. It was released 3 days ago now, and I still have not watched it. However, it is okay. And as I believe, there are no subs obviously released now with the second music video making. But Felix's vlogs did have subs immediately upon releasing, so that's great. That's awesome. But yeah, thank you so much for watching with me, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.